So once you have understood the basic conversion between the degree measure and the radian measure, so in this video, so let us try to remember all the standard angles. So I have given the tables of all the angles that you need to remember. If you are given other angles, you can derive them, but these have to be kept in mind. So first are the multiples of 30. Second are the submultiples of 90 degrees, multiples of 15 degrees, multiples of 18 degrees. So all of these can be remembered by starting at appropriate places. So first 180 degrees, we know it as pi radians, right? 90 degrees is pi by 2 radians, right? Now 60 degrees is nothing but 180 by 3, that is pi by 3 radians. 60 degrees is nothing but 180 by 3, so pi by 3 radians. 30 degrees is nothing but 60 by 2, that is pi by 3 by 2, is pi by 6 radians. Now 120 is nothing but 2 times 60. 60 is pi by 3, 2 times 60 is 2 pi by 3. 150 is nothing but 5 times 30. 30 is pi by 6, so 150 is 5 pi by 6. So these are the angles. Pi by 6 is 30 degrees, pi by 3 is 60 degrees, pi by 2 is 90, 2 pi by 3 120, 5 pi by 6 is 150, pi is 180. So next, let us go for submultiples of 90 degrees. So we know that 90 degrees is pi by 2. So half of 90 degrees will be pi by 4. So 45 degrees will be pi by 4 radians. And 22 and half will be half of 45, that is pi by 8 radians. Pi by 8 radians. Now the multiples of 15. So we know that 15 is nothing but half of 30 degrees. So 30 is pi by 6. So what is half of 30? Pi by 12. So 15 degrees will be pi by 12 radians. And 75 is nothing but 5 times 15 degrees. That is 5 pi by 12. Whenever you get 5 pi by 12, you have to know that that is 75 degrees. Next, we'll go for multiples of 18. Now 90 degrees, we know that it is pi by 2. So 18 is nothing but 19 by 5. 1/5 of 90 is 18 degrees. So 1/5 of pi by 2 is pi by 10. So 18 degrees can be written as pi by 10 radians. 36 degrees is 2 times 18, that is 2 pi by 10 or pi by 5 radians. 54 is 3 times 18 degrees, that is 3 pi by 10. And 72 is 4 times pi by 10 or 2 times pi by 5. So you should remember the conversion formula also, and these standard angles should be separately remembered. So if I ask you what 75 degrees is, you should not be like, I'll calculate 75 into pi by 180 and then get the answer. No, 75 degrees, you should directly remember it as 5 pi by 12. So I hope you remember all these tables. Thank you.